We do Nook pods. It's a quiet acoustic space. It's an acoustically quiet space, which is still connected to its surroundings.
He installed 6 Nooks throughout the convention center to give people places to go and have private conversations, also take Zoom calls or whatever else business they need to do while they're here in the convention center.
This is the Huddle pod. It's designed for 2 people for a longer period of time. There's a good workspace at the table there. There's power involved. There's lighting, which is user controllable so that people can actually define the space for themselves.
Our attendees, our guests, they're reimagining and reutilizing lobby spaces in much different ways than when we even opened the building. And so we continue to add different type seating just to make the experience much more comfortable and being able to do business while you're here at a business meeting.
We designed it for people on the spectrum in the workplace, and to give people a shelter space, an area of sanctuary in very busy, noisy environments.
Having 6 of them, we can put them where the need is. We can take them away from areas that they want to utilize for a different purpose. We may end up adding more, it depends on the popularity of them.
We've only just installed them and they're already in use. So people need that moment.